Hello, students. I hope you all are doing good and studying at home and utilizing your time in the best possible ways. I am Pallavi Dikshit, Assistant Professor from Sistek Ratibad campus, and today I will be giving you an overview of Unit number 4, that is Developing Writing Skills. Along with this, we will cover the topic Stages of Writing today. So, what do you mean by the term developing writing skills? It means अपनी लिखने की कला को improve करना, उसे विकसित करना. और in English language we can say writing skills is an art to write effectively. Effectively मतलब असरदायक तरीके से. See, we all know how to write and it's been taught to us since our childhood. So why does it happen that few students are able to clear the university examinations with flying colors? Why does it happen that few students are able to clear the descriptive part of any competitive examination? It's only because their writing skills and presentation skills are good. You must have seen bloggers and people getting their articles published at various reputed platforms and getting fame. You must have seen various multinational companies hiring good content writers or technical writers because they are always in high demand. So, if you wish to get good grades in university examinations by presenting your answers gracefully in the RGPV or any university answer sheet, or for any competitive exams, this unit is of utmost importance. So today we are going to study the first topic of the unit, that is stages of writing. There are three stages of writing. First is planning, second stage is drafting, the third stage is editing. Students, I always ask you to draw diagrams because it gives a very good impression on the checker and it gives them a clear idea of what you have written based on the diagram. The diagram can be in the pyramid pattern, it can be in the block pattern, it can be in the flowchart pattern. So let's talk about the first stage of writing, that is planning. Now, why is planning required? Why do we have to plan before writing? And what does planning means? Planning means to collect information from various resources. That means information को अलग अलग स्रोत से अलग अलग मीडियम के थ्रू उसको कलेक्ट करना so that you can have more and more content regarding your article. It will also help in developing more and more interest in what you are writing about. Let us take an example here. If I ask you to write an article on the movie Bahubali, what will you do if you do not know or if you haven't watched that movie? अगर आपने नहीं देखी है उस मूवी को तो आप उसका कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं लिख पाएंगे. So what are the best possible ways by which you can collect the information? कौन कौन से resources हैं जिससे आप collect कर सकते हैं information? You can collect it from internet. You can ask any of your friends or you can read the newspaper cuttings if you have it related to that movie. This process is only known as planning and it helps you to formulate your ideas. Students, I have already provided you with the notes of unit number 4. I hope you have gone through the notes. I hope आपने देखे हैं notes and based on the notes I am explaining you here. So once you have researched about the topic thoroughly, you will have enough content to write on. Now the second stage of writing is drafting. What do you mean by the term drafting? Drafting basically means to keep a rough note of the content. As you have gathered information of the related content through planning, now you can arrange the content systematically. In drafting, you can compose an introduction and also you can develop a conclusion for the content. Which means अब एक कंटेंट की रूपरेखा पूरी तरीके से तैयार कर ली जाती है. The third stage of writing is editing. You all know the meaning of the term editing, to cut short the content. Now, once you have prepared a good draft, it is often advisable to keep the matter aside so that you can refresh your mind and then later on do the editing part. By keeping aside the content, I mean to say that you can keep the matter for 2 to 15 days and later you can come back to it. And then you can check all the possible errors in the content with a fresh mind. The errors can be in any form. There could be spelling error, there could be grammatical errors, there could be punctuation errors, there could be alignment problem in the content. Or if you wish to add some more content into it in the third stage of writing, you can do it. I hope you have understood the stages of writing. And do write a good article of your own choice during the lockdown by keeping in mind the 3 stages of writing. I would be sharing some more videos of unit number 4. Till then, take care.